Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Priyanshu Placement Solutions. So friends, in today's video, we will discuss the today's day 4 Capgemini pseudocode plus data structure questions. Okay, today is 21st of December 2021. And guys, one very important thing, if you have not joined our Telegram channel, so I suggest you to join this channel because guys, here we daily update you with hiring as well as placement material with solution as well. And guys, if you have not watched this day 3 and day 2 and day 1 videos, so go and watch. Clear guys? I will share the whole playlist link in the description. And one very important thing for your Capgemini exam, that is roadmap. Guys, if you have not watched these roadmap videos, I suggest you to go and check out this video because guys, in this video I am telling all about Capgemini exam, like what type of question, topic, how you need to prepare for verbal, how you need to prepare for pseudocode, important topics for pseudocode, each and everything in this roadmap video. Guys, go and try once this video only. Clear? So let's discuss guys one by one what types of question. And guys, in today's video na, we will discuss mostly data structure question. Guys, clear? Mostly data structure question. Okay, and few question of pseudocode because guys, a lot of video we are already upload a upload related to pseudocode. And guys, प्रीवियसली स्लोट सेम है ना, जैसे पहले आए थे वैसी की वैसी pseudocodes बार बार आ रहे हैं. That's why guys, I am not taking a same type of pseudocode in this video, but guys, data structure I am taking a lot of questions of data structure only. Okay, so let's see guys one by one. So yes, so solve the postfix expression. So guys, this type of question 2 to 3 times is there. Okay, so let's see how to solve this. I have already discussed this in a single video. Clear? क्या बोला था मैंने उसमें कि तीन तीन डिजिट लेना है जब भी कोई आपको ऑपरेटर मिल जाए, then you need to take a 3 digits. Clear? So let's take these 3. So this will give 3 minus 1, right? 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means 2. Clear? So 2. Let's change the color for next expression. So remaining is guys, we got 2 plus 5 multiply 4 divide. Then again guys, हमें एक operator मिल गया, so we take previous 2 digits. So 2 plus 2 is nothing but a 4, right? 2 plus 2, it means 4. Let me change the color first, है ना? So it means 4 is there. Then okay, then guys, we got 5 multiply 4 divide. Clear? So again, see, as you can see guys, 4 5 multiply, right? So 4 multiply 5, 4 5 ja 20. Clear? So here we got 20. And we need to change the color again because guys, इसलिए मैं चेंज कलर बार बार चेंज कर रहा हूँ ताकि guys आपको समझ में आए चीजें. Clear? So after it we got 20, then 4 divide. So 20 divide by 4, right? 20 divide by 4, we got 5. Clear? So guys, 5 is your final answer. I hope guys this question is clear. Okay, let's move to next. So what would be the minimum? So guys, minimum है यहाँ पे. ठीक है, एक बार इस क्वेश्चन ने मुझे भी थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज कर दिया था guys, but yes, the question is minimum. Okay, minimum number of nodes. So you need to find minimum number. There are two things guys. Okay, first is minimum or other thing is number of nodes is possible. Clear? Two types of questions are there in this exam. Clear? एक क्वेश्चन आज आया था मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ नोड और एक क्वेश्चन आया था गाइस नंबर ऑफ नोड, है ना? पॉसिबल, राइट? पॉसिबल कितने मैक्सिमम में, एक होता है मिनिमम, एक होता है मैक्सिमम. सो फॉर मिनिमम गाइस, फॉर मिनिमम, ओके, फॉर मिनिमम गाइस, if you have a height h, then for minimum the output is h plus 1. Sorry, the number of node. Okay, the number of node is h plus 1. And for maximum 2h minus 1. Clear? So as you can see guys, we have to find a minimum. So minimum have h plus 1, it means 3 plus 1 means 4 is your correct answer. And guys, if the answer is for maximum, so the answer is, so if, and sorry, h is 3, here is h is 3, the answer here is 3 to the 6 minus 1, it means 5 is your answer for here maximum. Clear? Let's see for next question. Okay, let me check, pick the color. So yes, so if you are using bubble sort for sorting, then find out the number of swap needed, है ना? So how to solve this question? See here, so 20 is there guys, 21. We need to just swap, है ना? We just need to count how many swaps are there. So we know guys, finally this one is the finally answer is 15 20 21 20 17. ठीक है, 15 17 20 21 and 25, we know that. Okay, so let us start the swapping. So we know guys, this 15 is in place of here, right? So first this swap is there, right? So in the first swap we got our array like 20 21 15, 25, 17, right? In the next swap we just swap these two. Okay, so 20, 15, 21, 25, 17. In the next swap, that is third means guys 15. We just swap these two. Okay, 15, 20, 21, 25, 17. Clear? Sorry guys, है ना? So let's see. हाँ, तो here guys we got 15, 20, 21, 25, 7. So as you can see guys, these array is sorted, right? 15, 20, 21, 25. But guys, we here is a 70. So 17 is not a correct position, right? So इसको सही position पे लाने के लिए अब हम swap करते हैं. So for these guys we just swap these two. Okay, I just swap these two values. So one more swap is there. So we got 15, 20, 21, then 17, 25 guys. Clear? Then one more swap need for this. So here we got 17 and here is 21. Clear? Then 20 is there, right? So again one swap, so two more swap we need. Clear? So finally guys we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So finally we got 6 swap required for sorting this given array. Clear? Total 6 swaps are required. Clear guys? So finally we got 15, 17, 20, 21 and 25. Clear? Let's move to next. For this, again postfix expression. Let's solve fast. For just pause the video and try by yourself guys. Just pause the video and try by yourself, है ना? अपने से भी ट्राई करा करो क्या आंसर आएगा इसका. ठीक है, तो 4 और 2. So 4 और 2 होता हमारा 6. Then 1 is there, 3 is there, minus multiply. Then 1, 3, 6 and 3. 6 minus 3, right? 6 minus 3. And here what we are doing, 4 plus 2 is 6. And 6 minus 3 is nothing but a 3. Clear? So 3, 1 multiply. So 1 multiply 3 is nothing but a 3. So your final answer is 3. देखा guys? maximum you need a 10 second for solving this question guys. Maximum 10 second. और यू कैन से अगर प्रैक्टिस अच्छी नहीं है तो मैक्सिमम 30 सेकंड या 30 सेकंड से ज्यादा इसका ये वाला क्वेश्चन है ही नहीं. क्लियर है? ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, है ना, इन टुडेज वीडियो गाइस मोस्टली क्वेश्चन इज बेस्ड ऑन डाटा स्ट्रक्चर. आई टेक मोस्टली क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू डाटा स्ट्रक्चर. ठीक है, बिकॉज गाइज आप लोग के बहुत सारे मैसेज आए थे व्हाट्सएप पे और टेलीग्राम पे भी कुछ आए थे कि लाइक सर डाटा स्ट्रक्चर बताओ, है ना. सूडो कोड तो हो जाएगा क्योंकि इतने प्रैक्टिस हो चुकी, बट गाइस सर ये डाटा स्ट्रक्चर थोड़ा सा और प्रैक्टिस करवा दो. तो दैट्स व्हाई गाइस today's slot, sorry, in today's video I am taking most of data structure question guys. Clear? Okay, let's continue. And before continue guys, if you have not joined our telegram channel, so go guys, go and join this channel. Clear? नेक्स्ट वीडियो को देखने से पहले इसको जरूर ज्वाइन कर लेना. क्लियर है? और क्या करना है, बस बाकी चीज बाद में करेंगे. अभी क्वेश्चन देखो. Find out array representation of given min heap. So guys, in this question you have a minimum heap. You need to find min heap or you have a minimum heap. Clear? If the value 60 is deleted मतलब हटाना. क्लियर है? तो देखो सबसे पहले हम इसका min heap बना लेते हैं in form of tree. 58, 60 is there, 62 is there, then 64 is there guys. Okay, then 66. Clear? So इसके ये दो चाइल्ड है, इसके दो चाइल्ड. So what is the rule for minimum heap? Just pause the video and comment out. What is the rule for minimum heap? For minimum heap, parent element is less than child element. This means child element child element must be greater than parent element. हमेशा child बड़ा होना चाहिए parent से in the minimum heap. Clear? So 58 is greater than 60 and 62. Yes, correct. But guys, we need to delete 60, right? So whenever you are deleting any node, then the last node is swapped with that. क्या बोला मैंने? चलिए देखते हैं इसको प्रैक्टिकल करके. So we have 58 and we need to remove this 60 ना, and 62 is there, correct? So guys, we need to remove 60. In place of 60 guys, the last node that is 66 is placed here. It means 66 is here and here 64 as well, no problem. Clear? So next thing is guys, we have a minimum heap, but guys here the condition is false, right? Because guys parent element is greater than as compared to child element, right? So we need to swap these two all. Okay, so let me swap this first. So we got 58, next is 64, next is 62. Clear? इसकी child है ना, और 64 के बाद 66. Now guys, as you can see, we got our condition that is true. It means पेरेंट एलिमेंट मस्ट बी स्मॉलर देन चाइल्ड। देखो चाइल्ड बड़े हैं, हाँ 64 62 बड़ा है, 66 बड़ा है 64 से, यस वी गॉट दिस। सो लेट्स चेंज दिस इन द एरे फॉर्मेट और नॉर्मल फॉर्मेट, दैट इज 58 लेफ्ट टू राइट गाइस, लेफ्ट टू राइट। इसको मैंने और डीप में अच्छे से आपको समझाया आएगा, ठीक है, यू कैन वॉच दैट वीडियो, आई विल शेयर द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, क्लियर। So let's discuss this question as well. So in this question you have a max heap. So ये सारे आज के स्लॉट्स हैं गाइस, आज के 3-4 स्लॉट्स के 3-4 उसके क्वेश्चन ही है, ठीक है, 3-4 एग्जाम्स के, बिकॉज गाइस इन कैपजेमिनी एग्जाम ऑल है ना, अगर एक टाइम पे 10 लोग का है तो 10 के 10 लोग गाइस अलग अलग सूडो कोड सबको मिलेंगे, अलग अलग क्वेश्चंस है ना, क्वेश्चंस आर डिफरेंट इन सेम स्लॉट, क्वेश्चन आर डिफरेंट इन सेम स्लॉट, ठीक है, सेम स्लॉट बट गाइस क्वेश्चन इज डिफरेंट, ओके। So find out the array representation of Gini max heap if 57 is inserted। अब देखो inserted की बात हो रही है, पहले वाले हमने किया था delete, अब हम करते हैं insert। कैसे करेंगे, first we need to make a tree और हाँ, so 60 58 is there guys, ठीक है, 56 is there, 54 is there and last is 53, clear, yes, okay. Let's move to next. So we need to insert 57. So guys, whenever you are inserting the element in the heap, so guys that element is inserted at the last position, it means the last is this one. So here this 57 is inserted. So guys, we have a max heap. So what is the condition for max heap? Opposite of min heap, it means parent element is greater than child element। समझ में आ रहा है कुछ, है ना, ठीक है। तो देखो 60, so as you can see guys, this one here condition is false, right, so I just swap these two, so 60 is there, next is we have 58 58 have two child, that is 54 and 53, and I just swap these two, okay, it means 57, let me change the color for this one, so yes, so here 57 is there and 56, done, clear. So we got our answer, that is, let's convert this 60 then 58, okay, after 58 we have a 57, then 54 is there guys, then 53 is there, in the last we have 56, so this one is your answer guys, okay. Yeah. What is the answer for this guys, is the linear data structure. What is the linear data structure? Linked list is a linear data structure in these all, because forest related to graph, right, and graph and tree are not a linear data structure, clear. Linear data structure is nothing but a single element is connect to a only a single element, clear, that is called a linear data structure. And non-linear data structure is nothing but a single element should may be connected with more than one element, okay, more than one, not a one, okay, more than one or one element as well, no problem, clear. That's why guys, tree and graph is a non-linear data structure, okay. Let's discuss this question. So for this question, find out the representation of max heap, max heap if value 80 is inserted. So in this again inserted is there, 80 inserted, just comment the answer of this question guys, अगर आपको पहले वाला समझ में आया है तो कमेंट करके बताओ इसका आंसर क्या होगा, what is the answer for this। Let's move to next। Again guys, postfix is there, so how to solve, 3 minus 2, sorry 3 minus 1 is 2, right, 2 2 plus 5 multiply 4 divide, clear, then 2 2 4 5 multiply 4 divide, 2 4 5 ja 20, 4 divide 20 divided by 4, we got a 5 answer। but इतना easy रहता है guys, only we need a 30 question for 30 second for these types of question, postfix heap based question guys, believe me, if you have not watched that video, which one कौन सी रोड मैप वीडियो अगर नहीं देखा तो गाइस बिलीव मी, यू जस्ट गो एंड चेक आउट दिस रोड मैप, बिकॉज गाइस इससे बहुत ज्यादा हमारा रिजल्ट निकला आएगा। सारे स्टूडेंट जितने भी यूट्यूब पे देख रहे हैं, फॉलो कर रहे हैं गाइस हमारी सीरीज को, एंड बिलीव मी गाइस 50% टेंशन इज रिमूव बाय माइंड, बोल सकता हूँ मैं कि दिमाग से 50% तो खत्म ही हो गई सारी टेंशन जो भी थी सबके, ठीक है। तो एक बार रोड मैप वाला देख लो, उसमें मैंने आपको पूरा गाइड किया है 8 घंटे के अंदर आप कैसे कैपजेमिनी को क्रैक कर सकते हो गाइस, मिनिमम 8, मिनिमम और मैक्सिमम भी 8, ठीक है। तो एक बार जाके देखो इसको, क्यों, क्योंकि इसमें मैंने गाइस कुछ वीडियो सजेस्ट करी है, 2 to 3 वीडियोस ओनली, ठीक है। इन डेट यू आर कंप्लीट 80% ऑफ कैपजेमिनी सिलेबस गाइस, ओके, 80% ऑफ कैपजेमिनी सिलेबस, बिलीव मी, जस्ट गो एंड चेक आउट वंस, है ना, इतना बोल रहा हूँ तो एक बार जाके देख लीजिएगा इसको, कुछ विच वन रोड मैप वीडियो, ठीक है, ये वाला, ओके। I will share the link in the description as well, no worries. Okay, and आई बटन पे भी लिंक दे दूंगा मैं इसका, ठीक है। अभी चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अगेन फिलिप। सो डाटा स्ट्रक्चर कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर एवेल्यूशन ऑफ पोस्ट फिक्स एक्सप्रेशन। सो सिंपली गाइस, स्टैक इज यूज्ड फॉर कन्वर्ट द इनफिक्स पोस्ट फिक्स प्रीफिक्स, है ना, सॉल्विंग द इनफिक्स प्रीफिक्स ऑपरेशंस। क्लियर। स्टैक इज आल्सो यूज फॉर रिकर्शन, ठीक है। एक रिकर्शन का भी ऑप्शन आता है आपके पास, तो रिकर्शन का यूज होता है रिकर्सन, ठीक है। स्पेलिंग देख लेना थोड़ा सा, ठीक है। रिकर्शन हो गया आपका, है ना। ट्रेवर्स हो गया ट्रेवर्स, ठीक है। और आपका एक ब्रैकेट वाला जो होता है ना, ये वाला ब्रैकेट कंडीशन भी इसी के थ्रू सोल्व होती है, स्टैक के थ्रू। क्लियर। तो जो भी आए लगा देना। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बेस्ड ऑन प्री ऑर्डर ट्रेवर्स गाइस। सो व्हाट इज प्री ऑर्डर ट्रेवर्स, लेट्स डिस्कस फर्स्ट। So in the pre-order traverse guys, you have first root, right? Root, then after guys you have left. Now first you check root, then left, and then last is right. That is for pre. Okay, pre. So let's see guys, root. First we have a root element is 10. So we need to write 10. Then after root we take a left element, that is left. Now 12 is a root of 3. So first root is there. Then left. Left means 3. Then right. Right of 12 is 4. Now 4 is a root element, that is 4. Clear. So no need to solve all this. Hai. As you can see in the options guys, we directly put 10, 12, 3, 4. As you can see, the option C is correct. You can directly put, no need to solve whole answer. Clear. Whole question. Clear. So this one is your answer. Let's move to next question guys. Next question is based on pseudocode. Clear. So let's discuss this question first. So इस बार brown color लेते हैं because we not take a brown color ones. Okay. So yes, so for this question guys, you have a function, है ना, and ABC is passed. So ABC is passed in this, and the value is 6 to 4. Clear. So let's see, 3 is greater than C. No, condition is false because the value of C is 4. Now A is 4, the C value is 4, and A is 6. Condition is again false guys, directly we just written A B C. क्लियर है। C की वैल्यू 4 है, A की वैल्यू 6 है, हाँ ठीक है। ओके, सो वी जस्ट डायरेक्टली रिटर्न 12। ओके, लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गाइस एम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन। ध्यान रखिए, एक से दो एम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आते ही आते हैं। 1 to 2 एम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन इज कंपलसरी इन कैपजेमिनी गाइस, एंड वन टुडे इन टुडे स्लॉट गाइस, one string question is also there. One string question is also there, that is very easy, like palindrome only. Okay, palindrome. And count consonant. Yes, count consonant. You need to count consonant. Okay, count consonant. Okay. Let's discuss this question. So you have 2 3 2 1, and this index is 0 1 2 3. Let's change the color first for solving this. So yes, so for each 0 to 2, 0 to 2, it means these three values, loop is executed for 0 to 2, it means for these three. Now m equal to a of j minus 1. So guys, a of j, so a of j is 2, 2 minus 1 is the value of m is c here, and you can directly do for 2. Why? Because guys, here is m equal to something, not m plus equal to, right? If m plus equal to is there, then you need to check, then you need to solve all this. But guys, here अभी हमारे पास क्या है? We have only लास्ट, डेट इज वी हैव ओनली इक्वल सिंबल ना, तो हम क्या करेंगे, लास्ट वाला चेक कर लो, चाहे वो कर लो। अभी देखो मैं लास्ट वाला चेक करके बताता हूँ, देन आई एम डिस्कसिंग दी होल। फिर से मैं आपको बताऊंगा कैसे करते, ठीक है। तो देखो, फॉर लास्ट, अभी लास्ट वाले से देखो, अगर मैं लास्ट वाला चलाता हूँ तो मेरा आंसर क्या आता है, ए ऑफ टू इज दिस वन इज 0 1 2 3, ए ऑफ टू इज 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, राइट। सो नाउ द एम वैल्यू इज 1 फॉर लास्ट। अगर मैं लास्ट का चला दिया तो एम की वैल्यू 1 आई मेरी। अब मैं एक बाय वन चलाता हूँ, फॉर जे इक्वल टू 0 1 2, हेयर एम की वैल्यू लिखते हैं ए ऑफ 0 इज नथिंग बट 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, a of 1, a of 1 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. Clear. Then a of j means 2, right? So for j, 2 is there, 2 minus 1 is 1. So as you can see directly, finally also we got m equal to 1. Why? Because guys, here is equal to, if m equal to m plus a of I is there guys, a of j minus 1, then guys, then you need to add all these three, then answer is 4 around. Clear? Sorry, 5, because the value of m is also 1 na, that's why. Clear guys. Let's move to next. So the next is so let's discuss this question. So you have value abc is there guys, a b and c. C is executed for loop, so no need to take c equal to 8. Okay. So 1, b is 7 and c is nothing but a 2. So yes, so again guys, this question also previous one. Why? Because guys, as you can see, a equal to 10 and with c, there is not other, this a is not depend on other other values, right? So that's why guys, in these also question guys, no need to execute this if, because guys, this if condition is always false, because b is 7, 7 minus 4 is nothing but a 3, and 4 minus b, it means 4 minus 3 is nothing but a minus 3. So this condition is always false guys. That's why this two always executed. And guys, and no need to solve this, because guys, a equal to 10 and with c is there, right? So you can directly do 10 and with the last value of c is nothing but a 4. So 10 and with 4, you will got 0 0 0 0. It means a value is 0. Clear? Now the value of a plus b, a plus b means 0 plus 7, that is nothing but a 7 is your answer. Clear? I hope guys this question is clear. Okay, so thank you for watching this video guys. I hope you will get an idea what types of questions are there in Capgemini guys, in today's slot only. And guys, if you want to watch a previous slots, I am already share the link, and I will share the link in the description of what I say, playlist, a complete playlist, and guys, in our playlist, I am very happy to say that like we have completed 60 plus videos of Capgemini only 60 प्लस वीडियो कैपजेमिनाई ओनली गाइस, है ना, केवल केवल कैपजेमिनाई की ही 60 प्लस वीडियोस हैं हमारे चैनल पे. सो गाइस, यू कैन गो एंड प्रेफर दैट प्लेलिस्ट गाइस. बिलीव मी, that is very helpful for you guys. And if you have not watched to all 60 videos guys, I suggest you to go and watch this roadmap video. It hardly take 15 minutes for you guys, because the duration of video is 30 minutes, and if you watch this video in 2x, then guys, you will got an idea and all the things related to Capgemini guys. I am clearing all the things in this video, so you will got an I get an idea how to prepare for Capgemini, what topics are there, right? And verbal, game based, all the things are there in roadmap video. So I suggest you to go and watch roadmap video guys again and again. मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ आपको, ठीक है? तो जाइए एक बार चेक करिए, डाउट होता है तो कमेंट करिए, ठीक है? वीडियो अच्छा लगा वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल पे चलो, उसको ये लाल वाला बटन होगा आपके मोबाइल पे कंप्यूटर पे, जिसको क्लिक करना मत भूलिए, ठीक है? और सारी कंपनीज का भी मटेरियल है गाइस. इफ यू हैव नॉट वॉच, इफ यू हैव नॉट चेक अ प्लेलिस्ट सेक्शन, गो एंड चेक. And if you have any company exam, you can go and prefer our channel guys, because all the questions are real, okay, with solution as well. Zoho, Mindtree, TCS, Capgemini, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, IBM, each and every Accenture as well. N number of company material we have guys. So you can go and check out once. 350 plus videos already uploaded on our YouTube channel guys. Okay. So thank you for watching this video great guys. And let's meet on the next video with new questions, new topics and new things. Okay. और टेलीग्राम को जरूर ज्वाइन कर लेना, है ना, टेलीग्राम को जरूर ज्वाइन कर लेना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मैं आपको अपडेट कर देता हूँ हर चीज से, ठीक है? कभी कभी यूट्यूब का नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आता है, फिर आप मैसेज करते हो सर आज का वीडियो कहाँ है, तो इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ गाइस, ज्वाइन कर लेना. और व्हाट्सएप पे भी ज्वाइन कर लेना, है ना. व्हाट्सएप का भी लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा. व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू ऑल. एंड इफ यू वांट टू कांटेक्ट विद मी गाइस, आई हैव ऑलरेडी शेयर ऑल द लिंक्स, ठीक है, इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. जिस प्लेटफॉर्म से चाहो उस प्लेटफॉर्म से आप मेरे से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. Okay, so it's all about today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let's meet on the next video. Okay, bye bye.